I can't even see it, dude. I'm just gonna pull the trigger and hope for the best. 3, 2, 1. Oh my God! Holy! Got a brand new shiny Arma Senton 3S, BLX, and a Traxxas Bandit BXL Valenion 3S. Mean mofo. Let's get some speed passes. See how mean these things are.
All right, look, I'm coming through here.
What a start. Dude! Oh my God! Dangerous. It can't grab. Tires aren't touching. Senton takes it though. Senton don't care. Went straight in the water.
Mojave, dude, look at that ball right there. Look at that.
What? Oh, that, yeah.
Hit that thing full send.
Send it, Senton.
This thing was cheap too, dude.
Oh! Oh man! Took it. She's good.
Badass, dude.
That was a hard hit, dude. Send it, Senton. Come on. Come on.
That was sweet. I love it.
Hey, Rocky, do you love it?
I love it.
Do you love it?
I love it. I love it. You almost killed me. That was close.
I couldn't even tell, dude. Was I close?
Yeah. Oh my God. I'm not watching.
How close was it to you?
Dude, I had to
give me an estimate, like from your body.
I had to move, okay? It was like, if I hadn't moved, you'd have took my ankles out.
Oh! I bet I know what happened. All right, damage assessment. Shocks broke.
Oh my God.
Wow.
I mean, it's a plastic shock.
I know, these are junk shocks. Dude, I broke it on the granite too. It's like one of the first things I broke.
Literally snapped.
Yeah.
Pulled right out of there.
Don't just bash, blast. It broke, right?
Yeah.
Send it to the junkyard. Every time. Wow, dude.
Oh, my wheel.
Is it off?
Gone.
What? What? There it is. Here's your hex right here.
Thank God.
Wow, what a lucky find. Ooh, that is hot. Oh my God, that is hot, dude. That is...
Destroyed my wheel.
Dude.
Arma's getting a phone call.
You ready to hold that?
No.
It's hot. Woo, that's 2 for 1, baby.
It's hot because this isn't hot. It's hot. Yeah, it is. I don't want to fucking spend money on these goddamn tires, dude.
Well, you know what they say on the Junky Jordan channel. Send it to the junkyard.
This hobby.
Well, if you guys want some RCs, contact Junky Jordan at junkyjordan.com. Look how scary that is. Scary. Oh yeah, Xmaxx, baby. Let me get on the other side of Xmaxx Mountain. I won't even be able to see it, dude. I'm just gonna send it blind. Ready? Yeah. I can't even see it, dude. I'm just gonna pull the trigger and hope for the best. 3, 2, 1. Oh my God! Holy shit! Dude! That went right for me! Dude! I swear, dude, I was standing right here, dude, and I saw it come over that mountain. It was coming right at me. I literally had to go over here and it went bang! That was insane, man. Wow! Oh! 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 The wheel's gone, dude. Oh, we are gonna have some parts to fix today. I broke one lower control arm right there. The shock mount busted out. Axle. Oh, that snapped. I got another one of those.
Axle.
Send it to the junkyard. Look at it.
At least it's still going.
To the junkyard. Every time I say that, dude, I always got your dude, look at that. Look at that. Oh.